Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all well. Today we will see how we can install Oracle Java in Ubuntu. So without wasting time, let's get started. First open any web browser, then type Oracle Java, then click on enter, then open this first link, then here click on download Java. Here you can see all the latest version and previous version available in JDK. Here I will choose JDK 17. To install this on Ubuntu, I will choose Debian package. Just click on this link. Once you click on the link, your download will begin. I will pause this because I have already downloaded. Go to the folder where you have downloaded. I have downloaded in my download folder. Then right click, then click on open in terminal. Then type sudo dpkg space -i, then file name JDK, then click on tab to auto complete it, then click on enter, then type the password. Once you click on this, it will start unpacking the dpkg file. It will take some time. Now type ls user, then library, then JVM. It will show where it is unpacked the JDK file. Just copy this file name, then type this command. I will provide this command in my description. Just copy that from there and paste it here. Here I have provided the file which I have downloaded. Here you need to change the file. For example, if you install JDK 20, you need to copy that file name and paste it here. Then click on enter. Okay, it's not an issue. Then copy this, then paste it here. Then here also you need to specify your JDK file which you have unpacked. Here I have unpacked JDK 17, so I have written this here. If you downloaded any other JDK file, just copy and paste that file, then click on enter. Okay, now we need to provide home environment for Java because some application need home environment to run Java applications. Then for that you need to type sudo gedit, then space etc, then environment, then click on enter, then type password. Then here paste this from the description, and here also you need to change JDK 7 to the file which you have decompressed or installed. Then press Ctrl S to save or click on here to save it. Then close the file. Then type source etc environment, then click on enter. This will automatically source the home environment which you have updated now. To verify it, just type echo space java home, then click on enter. See, it will show the path where JDK file is installed. To check the version of our Java, just type java space -version, then click on enter. To check the version of javac, type javac space -version c, then click on enter. See, now we can check or run the Java JDK file from anywhere. So that's all for this video. If you have any doubts, comment that below. I will reply it as soon as possible. Bye bye guys, love you all, peace.